and welcome back, everybody. If you would like to remove unknown devices from your Facebook application and you are looking out for a tutorial, this guide will exactly do so. So let's just dive right in and get started. Open up the Facebook application for that and log in into your specific account for that. And once you are logged in, you may look out for the menu icon in the top right corner and select it. After you select it up, the menu appears on your screen. You may scroll down and look out for the option of settings and privacy and tap on it. After you tap on settings and privacy, you need to look out for the settings option from the given options available and then just go over and select it. And once you go over and select the settings option, you can look out for your account center from here. So find the account center and tap on it. And once you tap on account center, you need to scroll down and look out for the account settings available and go to the password and the security section. So go ahead and find it up and tap on it, and that should open up the space right here. From here, you need to scroll down and look out for the section for security checks, where you'll be finding option of where you are logged in. So go ahead and tap on where you are logged in, and then from here you can select up your account. So just go over and select up your Facebook account from here. And then once you select up your Facebook account, it will show you all of the devices that are available. So you just need to scroll down from the given options and look out for this option called select devices to log out. So tap on that option. And once you tap on that option, there you'll be finding different devices available. You just need to select the particular device that you would like to remove yourself from or remove the unknown devices from. So once you select it, just go and tap on this logout option. And just go and confirm it up by tapping on this logout option. And once it is confirmed, that particular Facebook application will be removed. Facebook account will be removed from that Facebook from that device. So that is it, everybody. This is a very simple and straightforward process. You may follow up this process to do so, and that should remove the unknown devices from Facebook. So make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.